Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about why your store design must be optimized for mobile first and literally made for mobile first, and why desktop design almost doesn't matter anymore. Okay, so first, important thing to know is that 97% of people are now basically making purchases from mobile devices, right? Especially on Facebook. That means that whatever you run, most people will be on their mobile devices, right? If you decide to, go hard and search for internet, you usually seen in the past, in different forums or Facebook groups that when people are actually discussing a store design, they usually send each other, like a desktop design examples, right? So most people actually make a decision of a store design based on desktop, style, which is kind of like a wrong, right? Because like I said, most sales, especially from, like a cold traffic, right? You're running ads and you want to, convert people, will come from mobile devices. So the right thing that you should do, right, and what I do is always create that mobile design first, right? Of course, you need to have like nice like desktop design, right? But first, everything what you choose, the design, it should be based on mobile design first, right? Because that's where all money are coming from, right? Most people that they will be paying you, they will be paying for this, right? So it's important to have perfect version on your store on this first, and then you can do it on desktop. But this is the most important thing in your universe, right? Because phone itself will generate you most money, than any other device, right? Like desktops are not generating all the money, when it comes to online stores. It's mobile, right? So it's absolutely important to focus first on all, like mobile designs first. If you see that, for example, the design that you want to pick for a store is like a hideous on mobile device, or it's like super complicated, like you cannot even almost like navigate, through phone, because it's just like because everything is like small or like a tiny to, to like buttons and all that, then just like drop it and try to find some like store design, store theme that basically fits mobile designer. This is like literally like made for mobile design, right? And it's the same for landing pages as well. If you are, for example, doing landing pages in like ClickFunnels, right, then first always build that mobile version, and then you can deal with desktop, right? Or build them separately, right? You will just build desktop and then you will start working mobile device. Doesn't matter how beautiful it looks on the desktop computer, like the mobile version will be one that will bring you most leads, most sales, like most profit, right? So I still don't understand why so many people actually still care about desktop design that much, right? And like trying to like discuss, no, like this looks like better, like look at it, like so awesome in desktop and that, right? If most money are actually coming from mobile. So this is like a golden rule. If you want to make money, make it look great on mobile devices. Like better mobile looking site will bring more cash to your store, to your pocket, right? So if you want to like buy like golden Lambo or something, then definitely focus first on mobile designs, okay? Because that's what makes money and what sells most. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it helped. And if you are an e-commerce owner, then definitely download my book. It's Facebook Ad Launch Guide for E-commerce, and I literally wrote it for you. For people who either want to start Facebook ads, right, and you don't want to actually burn money, you want to know how to scale, when to stop what, so you are never in loss. And also for people that actually are already using Facebook agency and want to know if actually your agency is doing a great job and not really like a slacking, and really like holding down your success. So definitely download that book, because I literally like show there how I actually scale like step by step to $50,000 profitably in Facebook ad spend, right? Like and all those rules that we use, when to actually stop what ad sets, so they don't burn money, and we only run ads that actually make money and scale them, right? So you will find everything there in that book, so definitely download it. It's still free. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like my videos and want to see more of them, definitely click that subscribe button and also that bell button, and I will see you in my tomorrow video. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.